Hey, it's Mike. And today I want to talk about a stock that had one of the best runs over the last 5 days. It was up over 4% on Friday and has the potential to move higher and test its 52-week high. And that company I'm talking about is Teledoc Health Inc., trades under the NYSE under the stock symbol TDOC. And Teledoc is basically involved in telemedicine, which has been really, really hot because of the shutdown. People, for for safety reasons, they don't want to send people who are maybe sick or maybe be very vulnerable to the virus to go into an office. So they can stay at home and use their phone to speak with their doctor and get the care that they need. And usually you have to see a doctor every month if you want to get a refill on your prescriptions. So this has been, I think, a company that was very important over the past year. And I also think this is a company that will probably be very disruptive because I do think once the shutdown is over and things begin to open up, I think you'll still see a lot of healthcare clinics stay with the telemedicine approach. Let me just show you what Teledoc did in the last 5 days. It was at 178, ran up to 200. The 52-week high is 253. I definitely think it has the potential to be higher. And I also think if you want to hold Teledoc as a long-term hold, I think that's a great idea. I do believe ARK has some holdings in Teledoc across a couple of their ETFs. And it's one of those disruptive businesses because I do know from personal experience, like my parents, they're older, and for them to go to the doctor, it's a real ordeal. And so when they can be able to take some of their appointments over the phone, that cuts down, a half hour trying to get ready, a half hour going to the doctor, sitting in the waiting room for another half hour, then trying to get back home. I mean, when you're in your 70s, that's a whole day. Then you need a whole day to recover from that. So just to be able to pick up the phone and speak with a doctor when you don't need to go to the office, I think you're going to have a lot of offices switch over to telemedicine. Of course, Teledoc is the leader in that space. So I would definitely take a look at Teledoc if you're looking for either a short-term or a short-term trade or a long-term investment, because I do think this is one of those disruptive companies that will be worth a lot more in the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like on the video and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.